Nice! Fellas, we're out here on the streets. We're going to Cenote biking. It's my boy Felix.
What?
You can talk.
Hey, how are you?
He said, how are you? We're heading out. Let's go. I can't usually bike with one hand, but I'm apparently doing it right now, so. On the highway, biking. Our fellas are all the way at the front. So we have Alex and then Permit. It's loud, guys. And Elo. And we're out here, we're going on the streets of Tulum. You need to get a bike if you want to get to most places, right?
Right.
There we go. Yeah.
Yes, are you?
It looks like they're not surviving.
But
Just
I will
stop for
enjoy
water.
when I will be in the water.
It looks like they were not surviving. It's perming right here, guys.
Did you take a break or what took you so long?
I was trying to grab my camera. Yeah.
Okay.
I know, bro. It keeps going on. Guys, we're here at Cenote Corazon, and entrance fee 150 pesos. So you either take a bike here like we did, or you definitely don't walk, or take a taxi. And we're buying the tickets right now. Do not use any sunscreen, all that kind of stuff, because it's not good for the cenotes. And then bring a hat, a must, or something to keep you little, you know. And then you buy a ticket right here. That's what happens. Permanent, you gonna say hi to the people?
Hola.
How you
What
doing?
language?
Lo que
What's up?
sea.
You can say what?
Lo que sea.
Lo
Any
que sea.
language.
Buenos días, chicos, los followers de YiNkZZ.
Sí.
Les saludo desde México a Alemania.
Hey, Lucida, él es de Alemania, es hablando español. Y hola, buenas tardes. ¿Me da una, por favor?
Sí.
And yeah, that's where we are, just getting our tickets. We're gonna lock up our bikes over there. So. ¿Cómo estamos? Bien, ¿tú? Muy bien, gracias. So, lots of rules. Todos está aquí. Okay guys, Perman and I are gonna jump from the up thing. As you guys know, this is just the continuing of my crazy adventures. I just learned how to swim how long ago?
Oh, true.
And I always keep doing this.
But you're feeling comfortable, right?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Okay, good.
It's just scary. But we have to jump more further that way. Because there's the rocks right
The
here.
rocks here. So
See the
should
rocks
we
right
run?
here? Yeah, we're gonna run.
Okay.
Bro, my heart. We're going to run, guys.
Wait.
Sheesh. Hopefully I don't lose the GoPro. And if I do,
I'm gonna dive for it then.
yeah? Oh, so we got permit.
I'm also
Can
gonna
help
dive for you if you
I won't die.
should struggle.
You
Okay,
hear that?
let's go. 1, 2 y 3. Come on.
Okay, I'm going.
Yes. Watch it. Nice. Yes. Super smooth.
I'm a king.
Nice! Very good, very good. One's doing front flip, one's in the back flip.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Amazing. So guys, Cenote Corazon. Muy lindo, it's really nice. Cool vibes. Everyone's just out here doing their own thing. I'm doing my own thing. I've been learning how to dive, so you guys will see all the videos. The coach has been teaching me a lot, and it's been really nice actually. It's just cool to just be out here. Look. Beautiful. Yeah, so it's quite nice. So it's really, you know, when you come out here, make sure you check it out. Don't forget to hit that like button, that smash button, and subscribe, guys. HB, help a brother out. Cenote Corazon. It starts or opens at 9, closes at 4:30. 150 pesos for the entrance fee, 30 pesos for chaleco for the live vest. And don't forget that you can make a difference in this world. Be a light. Till next time, guys. Peace out.